Hello, good morning. This is David Cho from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. Can you find the difference on the following ATVs? We check the video. Have you found the differences on the two models? Yes, the difference is the power transmission system on the ATVs are different. The first one, this one is shaft drive with brushless motor, and the brushless motor, as you know, the torque output on brushless motor will be much higher, and shaft drive quality compared with the chain drive. Shaft driving is much more stable, and also it with the rear wheel speed differential. So let's see how is the performance on the shaft driving electric ATV with 800 watts.